is Irma. I am enjoying the afternoon rain shower in Ubud, Bali, in Indonesia, and am here about to start off on a 2-week women's facilitator training for healing the female womb and subsequent female energy within ourselves, our clients, as well as the world in general. It's not a surprise that it's raining. First, because it's kind of typical that there's an afternoon rain, but also, maybe I'll turn around this way so you can get to continue enjoying the rain in the background. But also because whenever women come together, the goddesses of water make their appearance, and here is a beautiful example of that happening actually just right now, where we are bringing sustenance to the earth and cleansing the energy that is within us and around us. And that's what rainwater does. That's what the goddesses of water, what their characteristics and abilities and powers are. And as women, sounds a lot familiar, like the kinds of things that we do as well. So for a minute, I'm going to just kind of like enjoy this, the pitter-patter of the drops all around me, and then prepare myself to get ready and explore the afternoon before our dinner commencement happens. And after that, I'll probably be off grid for a while, just kind of really taking everything in and being intentional about my practice and my training here. From Ubud, many beautiful cleansing rain shower blessings.